Hey, yeah, everybody's doing the best. Another day, you feel me? Hey, yeah. Hello, everybody's doing the best. How you feeling? You feeling? Okay, no, okay. Hello, everybody's doing the best. You feel me? How y'all doing? Okay. Craziness. Hey, man. So right now I'm in the park and I want to go biking around. Let's see. You feel me? Ooh. Gears are too low, but good for the grass, right? On bike gears I'm talking about. So damn, man, this is crazy. Like vlogging right at the park. People be staring at me like when they be driving. Damn. But it is good. It is good to be like, you know, YouTuber. Or there isn't a lot of people that are, you know, also YouTubers in your community, right? So y'all be seeing me run. I was one of the only person that is YouTuber in your town, man. I'm at the nature point right now, okay? Damn. By the way, the sun has set down and that's why you can see me really dark right now. At this evening, my camera. Oh, the video, yes. I wish I could show you fish, but well, now they're like probably in deep of the water. Damn. I remember I and my friends we used to come here over here at the hill, trying to make videos for as a vlog channel. But we were like 16 years old back then, and then the rest of my friends, they were like around 15 or some 16. It was crazy moments. But since I have a camera over here, maybe one day, maybe we can come over here, me and my friends, and then do some videos over here. I'll record some videos, but it might be crazy. There will be Jackson also there. Yeah, definitely. If he wouldn't be over here, then I don't know if I would make that video. This is the pond over here, alternative pond. Pretty big, right? For a small town, I would say, but hey, it is really great. It is really great. Ooh, this is the bridge. Ooh, another day over here, man. I feel like being over here like for the entire time. I don't want to like go all around, okay? Show you the next part of our town, okay? Next time, but not right now. So let's just enjoy the vlog, okay? You feel me? Oh shit. Whew. What if I try to jump over here? Hope I don't fail, but damn. Hooey. If my camera fails like right there, I'm done. I can never get it. Why even should I bother myself to get a camera over there? Like in this dirty water. You feel me? That would be like another topic. Damn. But that's crazy. Oh. I'm just staring, man. I'm just staring. No. Yeah, I can see the moon. Let me show you the moon. It's so bright today. Let's go to the moon, people. Let's go to the moon. Oh. Hey, I see some fishes. What the hell? I'm sorry. I mean fish, not fishes. They jump around the water. Cutie bird, please look at that. Shoo, birdie. Shoo. Hey, what about this bird over here? I don't know a lot of bird names, but damn, why am I even pointing the camera? Right there, that's the bird. Chick, chick, chick. Let me get a closer view of the bird, man. That'd be really sweet. Okay, so done being over there, man. Real done being over there. So we all gotta go. But I can run the park. I'll run. Damn, I love the nature park. Just look at the view. Being a video is like lit. Man, this was my all dreams, man. All dreams. And I'm bringing them to reality, man. Being a YouTuber was my dream back then. Now I'm in reality. Living in reality, everybody. Feel me? This is lit. Ooh. Whatever. Look at the sunset. Damn. How beautiful is that, right? Landscape too is great out here. Woo. Everybody, I'm running from home, people. Run away from home, please help me. Oh, okay. Where should I even go now? Where should I go? I guess life, you know, I don't know. Woo! Wow! Wow! Oh shit. Dashboard of the game. Baseball game. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the hell? Oh! Man, damn, I just knocked the thing.